Hello.
Hello everyone, welcome to Perfect Laser Live Show. I'm Lucy from Perfect Laser. It's my great honor to take this opportunity to introduce our company and machines to you. Perfect Laser is a professional manufacturer of laser machinery since 1995. Till now, we have more than 20 years history in the laser cutting field and the printing machine field. Our main products include laser cutting machine, laser marking machine, inkjet printing machine, wall printing machine. We have more than 20 series and 300 types of machinery. All our machines have got CEISO, those certificate and certificated by the International Inspection Institute, such as TUV and SGS. We have got over 63 national patents. The core technical achievements can reach the international advanced level. As a result, our products have been exported to over more than 180 countries and areas. We have got good reputation from our customers all over the world. We have a talent team. 95% of our teammates are bachelor's or master degree. We can provide 2 hours quick response and 24 hours after sales service to customers worldwide. Our goal is simple: to sell high-valued products at a good price and provide reliable customer service to you. So in fact, we have some models of our printing machine. Let me show you. This is our wall printing machine, PEH40. It is a wheels type and it also can move on the rails, guide rails on the ground. This is the details of the PEF40. You can see the printing head is very durable. It's imported from Japan. It has 4 tanks for ink, and the wheels and the steel rail is good quality. This is the printer's working video. You can see the printing effect is very good and with faster printing speed.
有问题你就给我发 QQ 啊。
The printer can move directly on the floor by the wheels. Also can work with the rails on ground. Okay, this is the applicable industries. The wall printer is widely used in home decoration, advertising industry, cultural and educational industry, government, hotel decoration, art experience museum. It can print directly to the wall, such as the interior and exterior or white wall, brick wall, color coating, wall and shell powder, color green paint. It can also print on the glass directly. It also can print to the ceramic tiles, wood, and metal. This is the details of the printer. You can see the screen is very big. It's around 12 inches and it's a colorful screen. Very easy to operate, and this screen is very durable. It has one switch panel. You can turn on the machine with one key. The three part is the printing head. This machine can install 1 or 2 or 4 nozzles on one print head. If with 2 print heads, the print speed will increase greatly than the 1 print head. The print head quantity can be customized. You can choose 1, 2, or 4 printing heads quantity according to your requirement. This machine contains 4 ink tanks for CMYK color ink. It can also add white ink. The Photoelectric Switch is imported from USA. The brand is very high quality and very durable. The print head can automatically expanding and always keep a suitable distance with the wall. Effectively prevent the printing head from being damaged. This printer also installed red light pointers. The red light pointers is for positioning and seamless spacing. It can indicate the start point in very small spacing area, makes super large images printing to be very easy. The printer is wheels driven to move. So when the machine is working on flat ground, the machine can move directly by the wheels. And when the machines work on the non-flat ground, you can install the rails, the guide rails. The guide rails is made of high quality aluminum magnesium alloy, which is very tight and durable. Each section of the guide rail is connected by a lock, so it is very convenient to assemble them together. Highlight. This machine is very good machine with special features. It can do one-time printing. For example, when the picture is under size 2 meters high and 4.5 meters wide, so our printer can print this size picture at one time. There is no need to perform partition printing, and a good picture can be created at one time. But when the picture is larger, for example, the picture is larger than 2 meters high, is larger than 4.5 meters wide, so The software have a function to divide the large picture to be small pieces. For example, you can see the pictures with 1, 2, 3, 4 portions, and the printer software will divide the big picture to be 1, 2, 3, 4 portions, and then the printer can print the 4 parts one by one. Finally, the 4 parts will be combined to be one whole and a complete picture. So when the height of frame exceeds 2 meters and the width exceeds the width of the machine guide rail, the picture can be divided to multiple areas, 4, 3, 9, or 16 for printing. When printing in zones, the machine first needs to print the area in the upper left corner. We call it area 1. After printing, the machine completes the positioning mark. You can select any area next to area 1 to print. At this point, the machine can automatically identify the starting point to achieve seamless splicing. This is the main features of the printer. 1. The vertical wall printing machine adopts advanced digital positioning technology with static zone calibration for up and down, step calibration for left and right. It can achieve precise positioning and ensure excellent printing quality. It abandons the traditional positioning mode on relying on raster bars and drive racks, avoiding inaccurate positioning and color bar problems caused by component wear or external wind. The all-inkjet printer adopts Japan-imported industry-grade printing head with protection device. It's equipped with dual sensors, Z-axis automatic induction. The print head can automatically expanding and always keep a suitable distance with the wall, effectively prevent the print head from being damaged. The vertical all printer with H-shape reels can move without tracks when printing on flat ground. The motor can drive the 2 rear wheels to move for printing. The body of all printer is equipped with a built-in computer system and 12-inch LCD colorful screen. It's very convenient to operate and work outside. Color type flash printing test of all printing machine can print a single color with large capacity to keep the color normal and avoid cross color. The vertical all printing machine body has a UPS backup power supply. It can automatically charging and switching when unstable voltage and power failure. The all-inkjet printer China can still work for 10 hours after power failure when backup battery is full charged. So it's very convenient to work anywhere and work outdoor. The vertical wall printing machine supports customized foldable vertical rack. It is convenient to carry outside. The all inkjet printer H40 uses AI intelligent image processing technology to scan and analyze pictures in different formats, match colors, and to control precise ink output. Here is the technical data of the H30 and H40 printer. The most difference between the H40 and H30 is the printing head. The PE-H30 adopts just one piece of print head, and the H40 adopts two pieces of print head. So their printing speed will have difference too. The H40 print speed is 64 square meters for 1 hour, and the H30 printing speed is 32 square meters in 1 hour. For the main board configuration, the H30 is 6-core CPU and 2 GB DDR memory, and the H40 mainboard is more advanced. It is 8-core CPU and 4 GB DDR memory. Both of the H30 and H40 is LCD controlling. The data transfer method is USB 2 or 3. The host size is 400 by 500 by 2500 millimeters. Real size is around 3000 by 2500 millimeters. The axis guide is 170 millimeters. Both of the two machines have high printing accuracy. It's 9600 dpi. So it have a very high quality printing result. Both of the machines, H30 and H40, has the memory recovery function. The spread distance is around 0.5 to 2 centimeters. The printer has consumables such as wall printing ink. The ink adopts color mirror base, won't get icing even at negative 30 degree. No need heating. The pigment won't get fade and fall off. Well resistance, green and environmental. Protective fluid. The fluid can protect the nozzle of the print head from being blocked. A treatment fluid. A treatment fluid is for pre-treatment of non-absorbent materials such as glass, canvas steel, wood, metal. There is some optional item. Of course, the optional item has extra charge. First one is the folding function. So we can make the foldable frame. The height after folding is only 1.5 55 meters, which is more convenient for delivery. The other optional item is the nozzles quantity. The standard machine is only 1 or 2 nozzles, but we can customize with 4 nozzles. And the maximum we can customize 10 nozzles. The more nozzles, the faster the printing speed. When printing, you can select 1 or more nozzles to work. Even if one of the nozzles is damaged, the other nozzles can still maintain the normal operation of the machine. Machine maintenance. The printing head is primary maintenance part of the machine. The quality of nozzle determines the maximum value of the machine. Don't expose the nozzle to the air or for a long time. Don't remove the ink absorber before printing. After printing, please buckle the ink absorber immediately for dust-proof and keeping moisture. Keep the machine clean regularly. Please only choose inks that are provided by our company. Otherwise it will cause serious damage to the printing head or circuit board. Please be noted that don't wipe the nozzle. You can use a non-leaking cloth or good quality paper towel to absorb the ink to avoid any block to the ink hole. The guide should be cleaned regularly. Wipe it with paper towel if it's dirty and add lubrication oil to reduce the resistance to the ink cut. Deeply clean the print head if you don't use the machine for a long time. Okay, our standard warranty for the machine is 12 months, and now we upgraded it to be 24 months warranty. This is our main models of wall printer. The basic type is PEH30, and the PEH40 is a 2-head double-speed wall printing machine. The PUV30 is a basic type with UV ink. The PES10 is a 5D floor, ground, and wall inkjet printing machine. It has 2 printing systems, one system for printing the ore, and another system can print the ground. PES70 and PES80 is our best models of wall printing machine, with very high definition, very good printing effect. This is our model PES70. Now we can say its machine structure, ink tanks. The ink tanks is same as the PEH40. Pad. This machine is controlled by pad. The pad is removable and with small size and low weight. It's very convenient to operate the machine. And the quality is good with durable and high quality components. A printer head. Its printer head also have 1, 2, 4, 6, maximum to 10 quantity. Now let's watch the video of the PES70. The printing speed is very fast, and it has a foldable optional frame. Now let's see the application of the wall printing machine PS70 and PS80. Both of the machines can print directly on the interior or exterior or putty wall, latex painted wall, white wall, rice paper, wall clothing, color coating, glaze, shell powder, color green paint. And they can also print directly to the glass, ceramic tiles, wood, metal. The wall printing machine is widely used in home decoration, advertising industry, cultural and educational industry, government, propaganda, hotel decoration, art experience museum. The machine introduction, Perfect Laser Industrial Type PS70 and S80 has been technically upgraded, and the connection between the frame and the horizontal track is upgraded from the previous belt connection type into interlock type. There is no belts between the frame. The tracks can be locked one by one, and the roller can move on the track freely. The track uses interlock connection. It can be easier to install and uni-install. During the large format printing, you can take down the track from the printed side and install it into another side which gonna to be printed. It can lengthen the tracks and make the work continuously. So unlimited wide printing can be achieved without buying additional tracks. In addition, the frame can be raised into 3 meters height, and the width of the right model is induced into 25 centimeters, which greatly improves the distance between the machine from the wall to the ground. This is the details of the printer. First, it's pad control. Using pad to control is easy to operate. The pad can shut down within 20 minutes to save energy. And it has a USB interface. The U-disc port connection can import file easily. Printing head. The printer adopts Japan well-known brand nozzles. The number of nozzles can be customized according to customers' needs. The more the number, the faster the printing speed. Inktank. Each machine is equipped with 4 ink tanks. The machine can print vivid color and create beautiful image if you want. Ink absorber. It has good sealing and performance, high efficiency of sprinkler cleaning, less ink waste, strong option capacity. Photoelectric switch. The printing head can automatically expanding and always keep a suitable distance with the wall. Effectively prevents the printing head from being damaged. Motor unit. The motor unit on the right has a more exquisite design with a width with only 25 centimeters, which makes the distance from the wall smaller so that the printing was larger when printing indoor. Roller wheel. By using interlock design, the tracks can be installed and taken down one by one. The roller can move on the track freely. Right knight pointers. Right knight pointers is for positioning and seamless splicing. It can indicate the starting point in very small splicing area, makes super large images printing to be so easy. Optional item. We can make a foldable frame. The height after folding is 1.55 meters, which is more convenient for delivery. Multiple nozzles. The more nozzles, the faster printing speed. The printing speed can reach 128 square meters per hour when equipped with 4 nozzles. Up to 10 nozzles can be installed. When printing, you can select 1 or 2 nozzles, even if one of the nozzles is damaged, and the nozzles can be still maintain the normal operation of the machine. Highlight. The upgraded version of PES80 improves the seamless splicing technology on the original base. It can automatically divide the super-sized pattern into multiple areas for printing. They realize seamless splicing by automatically identifying the starting point, presenting a complete picture. No matter how big the picture is, Perfect Lasers will achieve perfect printing for you. The following is introduction to the different forms of printing. One-time printing. One height of a picture frame is not exceed 2 meters and the width doesn't exceed the width of the guide rail. There is no need to perform partial printing and a perfect picture can be created at one time. When the width of the frame exceeds 2 meters, using a scaffolding to raise the machine and then perform partial printing, so you can get a perfect printing with this method. Highlight. When the height of the frame exceeds 2 meters and the width exceeds the width of the machine guide rail, the picture can be divided into multiple areas for printing. Supplement. When printing in zones, the machine first needs to print the area in the upper left corner. We call it area 1. After printing, the machine completes the positioning mark. You can select any area next to the area 1 to print. At this point, the machine can automatically identify the starting point to achieve seamless splicing. Product features. The all printer adopts inner UPS backup power supply to realize automatic charging, automatic switching when voltage is the ability of power failure. The machine can go on working for 10 hours when made power failure. The machine has integrated printing head design, so separable structure can effectively avoid damage caused by pumping the delivery. The machine printing head adopts 4 enclosed nozzle fixing plate. It can protect the nozzle and prolong the actual life of the nozzle. The oil printer adopts USA imported banner brand sensor. The sensor is durable and can sense from the up and down. Arc surface tracking. It can realize automatic positioning, automatic adjustment to the uneven wall and the tilt wall. It can reduce the risk of damage to the printing head effectively. Optional item: folding design frame. The height of frame after folding is 1.55 meters, which is more convenient for using and delivery. Standard painting direction is from left to right. Perfect Laser also can customize the printing from right to left. If you have demand to print on non-planar materials such as car bodies, Perfect Laser can customize it according to your demanding. It will be charged additional. This is the product features. The new wall printer is controlled by an advanced touchscreen pad. The U-disc can be inserted directly into the pad to import files. The operation is simple and the pad can shut down with 20 minutes automatically to save power. The machine has pixel seamless splitting function, and the track uses interlock design. It can be unlocked and taken down from the printed side and installed another side with gonna to be printed, so it can be realized large format and limited printing from software and hardware respectively. The oil printing machine body is made of special aluminum alloy with high strength and light weight. It uses a triangular principle designed to realize stable structure. It's durable and easy to carry. The oil printer adopts brushless servo motors control system. It can achieve higher accuracy and faster speed of colorful drawing, and it's totally free of maintenance. The oil printer adopts VSDT, variable ink drop technology. It can work together with a complete set of new program algorithms. The smallest drop of ink is 3.5 pl. The largest ink drop is 27 pl. No matter indoor painting or outdoor painting, it can achieve the perfect quality of vivid color painting. It has breakpoint automatic filling function. It can remember the breakpoints when machine meet interruption and automatic restore into the starting position when power failure, and continue to print next time. This is technical data of the PS70 and the PS80. The first one is print head. They have different quantity for PS70 and PS80. 70 has only one piece of nozzle, and the PS80 has two nozzles. The printing speed is also different. The PS70 printing speed is 32 square meters for 1 hour, and the PS80 speed is 64 square meters per hour. The mainboard configuration. The PS70 is 6-core CPU with 2 GB DDR memory, and the PS80 is 8-core CPU and 4 GB DDR memory. UPS battery life. The PS70 battery life is about 10 hours, and the S80 its UPS battery life is around 12 hours. The real size is also have small difference. The PS70 real size is 3000 millimeters by 2500 millimeters, and the PS80 real size is 4500 millimeters by 2500 millimeters. Okay, you can see the other features and other technical data from the table. Both of the two machines have double sensor, and the ZX guide distance is 170 millimeters. The painting accuracy is both 9600 dpi. The painting direction is vertical. The spray distance is 0.5 to 2 centimeters. Ink supply method is automatic ink supply and negative pressure. This is consumable of the machine. Professional wall printing ink. The ink adopt imported color meal base. Won't get icing even at negative 30 degree. No need heating. The synthetic pigment won't get fade and fall off. Wear resistance, green and environmental. Protective fluid. This kind of fluid is to protect the nozzle of the printer from being blocked. Treatment fluid. This kind of fluid is used for pre-treatment of non-absorbent materials such as glass, canvas tile, wood, metal. How about the machine maintenance? It's also easy. The first is the print head of the machine. The quality of the nozzle determines the maximum value of the machine. Don't expose the nozzle to the air for a long time. And don't remove the ink absorber before printing. After printing, please buckle the ink absorber immediately for dust-proof and keep moisture. 2. We should keep the machine clean regularly. 3. Please only choose inks that are provided by our company. Otherwise, it will cause serious damage to your printing head or circuit board. Please be noted that don't wipe the nozzle. You can use a non-leaking cloth or a good quality paper towel to absorb the ink to avoid any block to the ink hole. The guide rail should be cleaned regularly. Wipe it with a paper towel if it's dirty and add lubrication oil to reduce the resistance to the ink cut. Deeply clean the print head if you want use it for a long time. This is our main models of the printer. PEH30, PEH40, PUV30, PUV40, PS10, PS70 and PS80. Now I will introduce the PS10 5D wall and ground printing machine. As you see, this printing machine has two printing systems. One printing system is for printing the wall, and another printing system is to print the ground directly. Here is the video. You can see the video from the screen. The printing speed is very fast, and the printing result is very high resolution and high definition. Okay, let's see the machine structure. The main structure is the ink tank, the pad, roller, and the printing head. Here is a simple shoe. You can see the machine can print directly on the wall and the floor. The machine introduction. The floor and ground inkjet printing machine is a 5D printer that can print both on wall and ground. It's easy to operate. It has bright colors with light color difference, adapts to complex patterns. It's environmentally friendly and fashionable. It's a popular new product in the market. The 5D floor and ground inkjet printing machine is a new product strongly launched by Perfect Laser. It adopts imported Japan brand high-definition printing head. The maximum sprint speed can reach 64 square meters per hour. It's fast, one-time imaging with bright color and will not get fade. The main features: 1. The printer is equipped with dual sensors, up and down two-way inductive surface tracking, automatic positioning, and automatic solution to uneven surface and floor tilt. AI intelligent image processing speed is fast and efficient. Comes with 11.6-inch touch panel, easy and clear operation. 4. Negative pressure automatic ink supply ensures the continuously of the ink supply, prevents dust from entering the ink tube and nozzle, prolongs the service life of nozzle. It's more suitable for outdoor environments. The printing head is automatically cleaned with one button. No need to be disassembled. It can be completed automatically, which effectively guarantees the smooth flow of the ink path. The printing head adopts an automatic protection device, which greatly reduces the risk of printing head being affected by the external environment. 6. High precision. The highest painting precision can reach 9,600 dpi. 7. Built-in power supply backup. It can work continuously for up to 10 to 12 hours without external power supply or power filler. Highlight. The upgraded version of the PSAT improves the seamless splicing technology on the original basis. It can automatically divide the super-sized pattern into multiple areas for printing and realize seamless splicing by automatically identifying the starting point, representing a complete picture. No matter how big the picture is, Perfect Laser will achieve perfect printing for you. The following is an introduction to the different forms of printing. One-time printing. When the height of picture frame doesn't exceed 2 meters and the width doesn't exceed the width of the guide rail, there is no need to perform partition printing and a perfect picture can be created at one time. When the width of the frame exceeds 2 meters, use a scaffolding to raise the machine and then perform partition printing. Highlight. When the height of the frame exceeds 2 meters and the width exceeds the width of the machine guide rail, the picture can be divided into multiple areas 4, 6, 9, 16 for printing. Supplements. When printing in zones, the machine first needs to print the area in the upper left corner. We call it area 1. And after printing, the machine completes the positioning mark. You can select any area next to area 1 to print. At this point, the machine can automatically identify the starting point to achieve seamless splicing. Optional item. Foldable frame. When the machine structure is made to be the foldable frame, the height after folding will be around 1.55 meters. This is more convenient for delivery. Multiple nozzles. The more nozzles, the faster the speed. The printing speed can reach 128 square meters per hour. When equipped with 4 nozzles, up to 10 nozzles can be installed. When printing, you can select one or more nozzles. Even if one of the nozzles is damaged, the other nozzles can be still maintain the normal operation of the machine. About the consumable of the machines, there is professional wall printing ink. Our professional wall printing ink, it's adopt imported color ingredients. Won't get icing even at negative 30 degree. No need heating. The synthetic pigment won't get fade and fall off. Wear resistance, green and environmental. Protective fluid. The protective fluid can protect the nozzle of the print head from being blocked. Treatment fluid is used for pre-treatment of non-absorbent materials such as glass, canvas, steel, wood, metal, and others. This is the main difference between the S series and the H series. First, the track. The S series track is triangle structures. It's stable, where the H series printers only suitable for very flat ground. The real size. The S series real size is 2.5 meters. Oh, hi. Rodrigo, hi. You want to get our product catalog, right? Okay, we send to you. I have sent Mr. Rodrigo. If you are interested in our wall printing machine, you can send a message to us. Leave your email address or WhatsApp number. Okay? We will contact you soon. So let's continue. The control method of the machine is also different. The S series, it uses a movable pad control. It's a movable pad. And the H series printer, it uses integrated LCD touch 12 inches screen. Moving wheel. The S series can only move on the tracks, and the H series printers can move by wheels on floor directly, also can move on tracks. Requirement on the floor. For the floor, the S series printer has low requirement for the flatness of ground. It is suitable for printing outdoor working, also suitable for indoor. And the H series printer, it has higher requirement for the flatness of the ground. It is equipped with level gauge to ensure the track is completely horizontal and vertical. Now I will introduce the after-sales service for you. Normally, the guarantee time is 12 months from the date on which the product arrives at the port of destination, except the damage. Artificially and conventional consumables, Perfect Laser will be responsible for offering the fittings free of charge during the guarantee period. Well, please kindly send back the damaged fittings to us before we send back the alternative fitting parts. Two, we will give technical guide by online meeting when you meet some problems on installation, operation, adjusting, and maintaining. 3. We will offer technical supporting to ensure safety using and maintenance for you, including operation manual for installation, adjusting operation, maintain, and maintenance, and professional printing software. Quick supplement of key components with reasonable price. Lifelong after-sales service, consulting service to user. Why choose Perfect Laser? There is below reasons. 1. We have 20 years experience of manufacturing the laser and printing machine. We have full certifications such as CE, FDA, ISO. We have free VCT training, lifelong after-sales service. Our products are ever exported to over 180 countries in the world. 5. We have 2 hours quick response, 24 hours online service. We are over 10,000 customers' choice. We have 12 months guarantee. Hello, friend William. Welcome to our live show. Welcome. The printing of the printers is colorful, waterproof, wear resistant, and non-fading. Our machine has seamless stitching, unlimited widths. It has UPS power supply, 10 to 12 hours battery life. We accept TT and early trade assurance payment. It's very convenient for you, right? This is our certificates. Okay, thank you. That's all. Hi, friend. Better Chino. Thanks for coming to our live show. This is our company introduction video. This is our office room, and factory. This is our building. You can see our logo, Perfect Laser is our brand. Our wall printing machine contains PH40, PH30, PUV30, PUV40, S10, S70, and S80. Now we have coupons for you. If your order is over $7,000, you can get discount $100. If the order value is over $3,000, you can get discount $50. And our warranty is upgraded from 12 months to 24 months. This is our model PH40. This is one of our best machines. You can see the machine structure: printing head, ink tank, wheels, steel wheel. This is the working video of the H40 printer. Please check it. Please watch the video. Hello friend, thanks for watching our live show. Okay, let's see the video again. You can see the printing effect is very good. Okay, this is the applicable industries. The wall printer is widely used in the home decoration, advertising industry, culture, educational industry, government, hotel decoration, art experience, museum. Our printer can print directly to the interior and exterior wall, white wall, brick wall, color coating, sheer powder, color green paint, or clothing. It can also print directly to the glass, ceramic, tiles, wood, metals. This is details of the printer. First is the 12-inch LCD control system. The computer system is integrated in the machine body. You can print easily just by controlling 12-inch LCD colorful screen, so it's easy to operate and work outside. 2. The switch panel. 1K. Turn on. It's very easy to operate. Just 1K. Okay, the 3 part is the printing head. By connecting the ink and adjusting the parameters, the printing head can work quickly and print colorful images. The printing head can be customized, so you can also choose 2 print heads according to your requirements. 4. Inktank. Each machine is equipped with 4 ink tanks. The machine can print vivid color and create beautiful image if you want. The dark bottle with sealed design is used to prevent the ink from covering due to the contact with ultraviolet rays. 5 is the Photoelectric Switch. The printing head can automatically expanding and always keep a suitable distance with the wall. Effective prevent and printing head from being damaged. 6. Red light pointer. Red light pointer is for positioning and seamless placing. It can indicate the start point in very small spacing area, makes super large images printing to be easy. 7. Motor wheels. The 2 rear wheels can be driven to move when printing on flat ground. When the machine is not working, the small wheels between the 2 wheels need to be put down to cooperate with the front wheels to move the machine. Also, it protects the wheels from the wear. The guide rail is made of high quality aluminum alloy, which is very light and durable. Each section of the guide rail is connected by a lock, so it's very convenient to assemble them together. Highlights of the machine. It can automatically divide the super-sized images to be multiple areas for printing. It realizes seamless placing by automatically identifying the starting point, presenting the complete picture, no matter how big the picture is. Perfect laser will achieve perfect printing for you. The following is an introduction to the different forms of printing. One-time printing. When the height of picture frame doesn't exceed 2 meters and width doesn't exceed the width of the area, there's no need to perform partial printing, and a good picture can be created at one time. When the width of the frame exceeds 2 meters, you can use the scaffolding to raise the machine and then perform partial printing. When the height of the frame exceeds 2 meters and the width exceeds the width of the machine area, the picture can be divided into multiple areas for printing. Supplement. When printing in zones, the machine first needs to print an area in the upper left corner. We call it area 1. After printing, the machine completes the positioning mark. You can select any area next to area 1 to print. At this point, the machine can automatically identify the starting point to achieve seamless placing. Hello friend! Oh, we have a friend from Japan visit our live show. Thank you. If you have any questions, please kindly send messages here. I will reply you immediately, okay? Thank you. So let's continue. Now I will introduce the main features of the machine. The vertical wall printing machine adopts advanced digital positioning technology with static zone calibration for up and down, step calibration for left and right. It can achieve precise positioning and ensure excellent print quality. It abandons the traditional positioning mode of relying on raster bars and drive racks, avoiding inaccurate positioning and color bar problems caused by component wear and external wind. The wall inkjet printer adopts Japan imported industrial grade printing head with protection device. Hello, we have another friend visiting our live show now. Welcome. So if you have any questions, send the messages here. I will reply you immediately, okay? Send a message, thank you. So the point 2 of the features of our opening machine is it adopts Japan imported printer head. The printer head is very durable with high quality, and it is equipped with dual sensors. The sensors is a very good brand from USA. It has also Z-axis automatic induction. The printer head can automatically expanding and always keep a suitable distance with the wall. Effectively prevent the printing head from being damaged. Point 3 is the vertical printer with H-shaped reels can move without tracks when printing on flat ground. The motor can drive the two rear wheels to move for printing. Hello friend, welcome to watch our live show. If you have questions for our printing machine, please send the messages here. I will reply you soon, okay? Thank you. The point 4 of the machine is the body of the printer is equipped with very good built-in computer system, and it has a 12-inch LCD colorful screen. It's very convenient to operate, and it's convenient to work outside. Thank you for watching our live show. Point 5 is the touch type flash printing test of the inkjet wall printer. Can print a single color with a large capacity to keep the color normal and avoid cross color. Point 6. The vertical wall printing machine body has a UPS backup power supply. It can automatic charging and switching when unstable voltage and power failure. The wall printer can still work for 10 hours after power failure, so it's very convenient to work anywhere and outdoor. Point 7. The vertical wall printing machine supports customized foldable vertical rack. It's convenient to carry outside. 8. The wall printer machine uses AI intelligent image processing technology to scan and analyze pictures in different formats, match colors, and to control processing output. So this is the technical data of the wall printing machine PEH40 and PEH30. One, the printing head has different quantity. The PEH30 uses just one piece of print head, and the PEH40 adopts two pieces of print head. They have different printing speed. The maximum printing speed of H30 is 32 square meters for 1 hour, and the PH40 has maximum printing speed with 64 square meters for 1 hour. Control type. The control type is LCD control. Okay, LCD. It's very easy to convenient. The data transfer port, data port is USB 2.0 and USB 3. Okay, you can see the host size is 400 by 500 by 2500 millimeters. It is compact. It is not large, and the real size is 3000 by 2500 millimeters. The Z-axis guide is 170 millimeters. Okay, it has very high DPI. It's 9600 DPI. Okay, now we will see the consumables of the machine. The consumables of the wall printing machine is ink, protective fluid, and treatment fluid. The ink it adopts imported color ingredients. It won't get icing even at -30 degree, not in the heating. The synthetic pigment won't get fade and fall off. Wear resistance, green and environmental. Protective fluid. The protective fluid can protect the nozzle of the burner from being blocked. Hello, Jessica from USA. Thank you for watching our live show. If you have any questions, please kindly send the messages here. Okay, thank you. Thank you, Chris. Chris from the US. Thank you for watching our live show. And Valentine from Mexico. Oh, thank you for watching our live show. Thank you. If you have any questions, please send the messages here. I will reply you soon, okay? So let's continue. Now we talk about the consumables of the printer. Except for the ink, the protective fluid, and there is a kind of treatment fluid. The treatment fluid is used for pre-treatment of non-absorbent materials, such as when you print on glass, print on canvas tiles, wood, metal. You can paint the treatment fluid on the material first. After the material's fluid is dry, then you can print directly on the material. So it can help the material, help the glass to absorb the ink, so can get a perfect printing by this way. This is optional items. Our printer can make a foldable frame. The height of the folding is only 1.55 meters, which is more convenient for delivery. You can just put the machine in a small van, then deliver the machine to the workplace to do the decoration work or do any printing work as you want. So it's good with the foldable structure. The nozzle optional item is the nozzles. You know, our standard nozzle quantity of the printer is only 1 or 2 pieces of nozzles. If you want to customize, we can make 4 nozzles, 6 nozzles, 8 nozzles, or 10 nozzles for you as you want. So you can, with more quantity, with more nozzles, you can get faster printing speed with it. So usually our customers will choose to equip with 4 pieces of nozzles. Well, that will has very fast printing speed. Now I will introduce our machine maintenance methods. As you know, a machine, if you want to use the machine for a long time, you need to do the maintenance very well. The first part is the printing head. You need to keep the printing head clean always. And the quality of the nozzle determines the maximum value of the machine. So don't expose the nozzle to the air for a long time. Don't remove the ink absorber before printing. After printing, please buckle the ink absorber immediately for dust proof or keep moisture. The point 2 is customers will need to keep the machine clean regularly. Point 3. The printer only uses the ink which provided by our company. Otherwise, it will cause serious damages to the printing head or the circuit board. Hello, Sabri. Mr. Sabri, Diane, me? Okay, thanks for watching our live show. If you have any questions, friend, please send us messages. So the point 4 is don't wipe the nozzle. You can use a laminating cloth or a good quality paper towel to absorb the ink to avoid any block to the ink hole. Point 5. The guide rail should be cleaned regularly. Wipe it with paper towel, and if it is dirty, and add some lubrication oil to reduce the resistance to the ink cut. Point 6. You need to deeply clean the printing head if you don't use the machine for a long time. So usually if the machine is powered off for over 1 week, you will need to clean the machine, clean the print head totally. Yes, if you buy our machine now, we will give you some discount. When your order quantity is over $7,000, you can get discount $100. If your order quantity is over $3,000, you can get discount $50. And about the warranty, our standard machine's warranty is only 12 months. And now we can give you 24 months warranty. As you know, during warranty, a lot of service and replacement spare parts is free during the warranty. So this rule, this policy is very, very good for the customers. Okay, now I will show you some printing samples of the wall printing machine so you can know better about our machine's printing effect. Okay, so let me show you. You can see this is wood panel. Our wall printing machine can print directly to the wood panel. You can see the color is very vivid. You see, it cannot be wiped away. It is printed directly by our wall printing machine. The color is very good. This is also a printing sample. It is also wood panel. You can see the color. The printing effect is totally same as the original picture. It's totally same. The picture is color is very good and with high definition. Because it has 9600 dpi. Very good effect. And this one, it is our wall printing machine, printing directly to the paper. You can see the scenery. It's a scenery picture. The printing effect is very good. You can see it is high with high definition, high dpi. It's printed by our wall printing machine. This is another picture, another sample, which is also printed by our wall printing machine. It's very good, very vivid color, right? That's good. High definition, 9600 dpi. Very good effect. This is another sample. It is the oil painting. Very nice. Very nice painting. Right? You can see the color. The pink color, the purple, the yellow, green color is very good. It is printed. It print with our wall printing machine. You can see it's very good. Very nice. This is another picture. Let me show you. Very good. You can see the color. Very vivid. The printing effect is very good, right? So now let's continue to introduce the machine view. Warranty. This is our main models of the operating machine. There is PH30, PH40, PUV30, UV40, S10, S70 and S80. During these models, the S70 and S80 and S10 is our best machines. Now I will introduce our S70 view. This is machine structure. You can see the main part, ink tanks, pad, roller, and the painting head. This is the working video. Please check it. Okay, let's see the video again. You can see the printing effect is very good. Because the machine has high DPI, 9600 DPI, so the printing effect is very good. With high definition, you can watch the video. Hi, Mr. Ismail Matt Rajab. Thanks for watching our live show. Welcome. Welcome. Hello, friends. If you have any questions, please send messages here. Okay, let's see watch the video again. This is our PES70 model or printing machine. Okay, let's continue. What's the application of the printing machine? It can print directly to the wall. It can print directly to the glass, ceramic, tile, wood, and metal plate. So, and the color is very good in this kind of materials. Hello, welcome to what's your live show. The applicable industries. The wall printing machine is widely used in home decoration, advertising industry, culture and education industry, art, museum, hotel, decoration. It has very wide application. This is the main introduction of the machine. The PES70 has been technically upgraded. How did it upgrade? One, its connection between the frame and the horizontal track is upgraded from the previous belt connection type into the interlock type. There is no belts between the frame anymore, and the tracks can be knocked one by one, and the roller can move on the track freely. A track uses interlock in connection. It will be easier to install and uninstall. During a large format printing, you can take down the track from the printing side and install it into another side, which cannot be printed. It can lengthen the tracks and make the work continuously, so unlimited wide printing can be achieved without buying additional tracks. In addition, the frame can be raised into 3 meters height, and the width of the right motor is reduced into 25 centimeters, which greatly improves the distance between the machine from the wall and from the ground. This is the details of the PES70. 1. It is pad control. The machine is not controlled by computer. It is not controlled by LCD touchscreen. It is controlled by a small pad. And the pad is small and with low weight. The quality is good and durable and very convenient to operate. And the pad can shut down within 20 minutes to save energy for you. And it is also 1K turn on, very easy to operation. It has a USB port interface. The U-disc port in the connection can import file easily. 2. Printing head. It adopts Japan well-known brand Nozzles. The number of nozzles can be customized according to customers' needs. For the more the number, the faster the printing speed. As you know, our PES70 it adopts just one piece of nozzle, and our PE80 it adopts 2 pieces of nozzle, and the 2 pieces of nozzle printer has much faster printing speed than the single nozzle printer. And if you like, we can customize more print heads for you, such as we can customize 4 pieces of print nozzle on one printer, so its print speed will be greatly increased. And we can also equip with 6 or 8 or 10 pieces of nozzles for one machine. Actually, the more nozzles the machine have, the faster speed the machine have. So the better, the more quantities nozzles, the machine will be much better. Hello Jacob, welcome to our live show. The part 3 is the ink tanks. Each machine is equipped with four tanks. The machine can print vivid color and create beautiful image if you want, as you want. And the ink absorber, it has good sealing performance, high efficiency of sprinkler cleaning, less ink waste, strong absorption capacity. Part 5 is the photoelectric switch. The printing head can automatically expanding and always keep a suitable distance with the wall, effectively prevent the printing head from being damaged. Point 6 is the motor unit. The motor unit on the right has a more exquisite design with a wide stop only 25 centimeters, which makes the distance from the wall smaller so that the printing was larger when printed indoor. Point 7 is the roller wheel. By using interlock design, the tracks can be installed and taken down one by one. The roller can move on the track freely. The machine had right night pointers. Right night pointers is for positioning and seamless splicing. It can indicate the starting point in very small splicing area, makes super large images printing to be easy. Now I will introduce the optional item for you. One is the foldable frame. The height after folding is around 1.55 meters, which is more convenient for delivery. So when you want to deliver the machine, you can just put the machine in a small van, so you can take it easily to anywhere, any workplace to work. Another optional item is the multiple nozzles. The more nozzles the machine have, the faster speed the machine have. So the printing speed can reach around 128 square meters per hour when equipped with 4 nozzles. You know, the maximum quantity of the nozzles we can do is 10 pieces. If with 10 pieces of nozzles, the printing speed will be quite faster. So when printing, you can select 1 or 2 more nozzles. Even if one of the nozzles is damaged, then other nozzles can still maintain the normal operation of the machine. Highlights of the all printer. The upgraded version of PES80 improves the seamless splicing technology on the original basis. It can automatically divide the supersized pattern into multiple areas for printing, and realize seamless splicing by automatically identifying the starting point, presenting a complete picture. No matter how big the picture is, Perfect Laser will achieve perfect printing for you. The following is an introduction to the different forms of printing. One-time printing. When the height of picture frame doesn't exceed 2 meters and the width doesn't exceed the width of the gate rail, there is no need to perform partial printing, and a perfect picture can be created at one time. When width of the frame exceeds 2 meters, use scaffolding to raise the machine and then perform partial printing. So when the height of frame exceeds 2 meters and the width exceeds the printing width, so picture exceeds the width of machines carrier, the picture can be divided into multiple areas for printing. Supplement. When printing zones, the machine first lists to be printed the area in the upper left corner. We call it area 1. After printing, the machine completes the positioning mark. You can select any area next to area 1 to print. At this point, the machine can automatically identify the starting point to achieve seamless placing. This is the product features. The all printer adopts in a UPS backup power supply to realize automatic charging, automatic switching when voltage instability or power failure. The machine can go on working for 10 hours when power failure. The machine has integrated printing head design. Separable structure can effectively avoid the damage caused by pumping the delivery. The printing head adopts full enclosed nozzle fixing plate. It can protect the nozzle and prolong the actual life of nozzle. The wall printer adopts USA imported brand Banner sensor. The Banner sensor is very durable, can sense from up and down arc surface tracking. It can realize automatic positioning, automatic adjustment to the uneven ore and tilt ore. It can reduce the risk of damage to the printing head effectively. When the turn is the optional item. Folding design frame. The height of frame after folding is 1.55 meters, which is more convenient for using and delivery. Point 11. Standard printing direction is from left to right. Perfect Laser also can customize printing from right to left. If you have demand for printing on non-planar materials, for example, cardboards, Perfect Laser can customize it according to your demanding. So friends, thanks for watching our live show. It's time to say goodbye now. See you next time. Bye.